Everyone loves history. They quote it. They use it in speeches, in wars, in documentaries. But when I say, I'm a historian, they go silent. They look away. The money disappears. This is not a documentary. This is a confession, a final attempt. I studied history because I believed the world needed memory all the time. Context, wisdom, perspective. Spoiler: the world needed engineers, influencers, marketing, and Excel. I've worked for free. I've taught without contracts. I've written for people who never gave me credit. I've watched classmates vanish from the field. Some cried. Some reinvented themselves. Some left forever. And me? I stayed. Not because I'm strong, but because I still believe this matters, even if no one pays for it. In Latin America, being a historian isn't a job. It's resistance. In Colombia, less than 30% of history graduates work in their field. The rest survive, cleaning, freelancing, or pretending their degree never happened. In 1 year, I applied to 36 jobs. Most said I was interesting, but not useful. Meanwhile, history is everywhere. In political speeches, in Hollywood, in museum exhibitions, in national identity. They use history. They just don't use me. Sometimes I wonder if I failed, if I made a mistake. I wonder if loving history was loving something that doesn't love me back. But then I remember, history didn't fail me. The system did. The market did. The institutions did. This channel isn't about teaching history. It's about surviving with it. It's about witnessing what happens when a historian has nothing left but their voice. I'm not here to go viral. I'm here to see if I can even stay visible. Maybe I'll fail. Maybe I'll give up. But I want to record that too. This is not a how-to channel. This is a how not to die inside channel. If you're watching this, maybe I'm not alone. Subscribe. If anyone has ever told you your degree is useless, like this video. If you love history, but hate how it treats its historians, this is not the beginning of success. It's the beginning of truth. History doesn't pay, but maybe it can still save me.